So here's my skewer. Let's try this out. Good. Now go to Chancat. Saw the foot massage over here. And if you go over there, there's the Bukit Bintang and the MRT station. Yeah. Foot massage. Never done one before. 30 minutes, 30 minutes. Other foot massage and a shoulder massage for like 30 minutes. And they also provided me with some water right here. So if you come down here to the foot massage places, there's a lot of them in Chancat. But there's a lot of them in Bukit Bintang, but they clean your foot first. So for around 50 ringgit, that is about $11.26. And my feet have really been hurting. Every day I've been walking around 8 or 10 miles around Kuala Lumpur. And man, it's just been in pain. So I kind of thought, well, let's try this out. I've never had a foot massage before. So this is my first time. And I think to get a foot massage, head and shoulders for around, like $12, I think that's well worth it. And I don't know how much this would cost in the US, but I'm pretty sure it's way more than this, because I've seen some massage places, they're like $40, $50 for 30 minutes. So here for 30 minutes, I'm paying, like I said, around 12 US dollars. So 50 ringgit for this. So she cleaned it at first and then putting some type of, I don't know, like oils or something. So I'm just gonna enjoy this and see how it goes. The foot massage, there's cream on here. She's applying pressure at the bottom of the foot, but also up here on the calves and right here, right? And I could really, really feel it. Okay, so that was my first foot massage in Chancat, Bukit Bintang, next to the Jalan Alor food market. But not only did I get a foot massage, but I also got a shoulder, back, neck, head, arm, and hand massage. All of it was 50 ringgit, which is about $11.28. And honestly, for that, you're not gonna get a better massage. And how did I feel? Well, pretty awesome. It was a great massage, well worth it. And if you are in this area, if you've never had it, try it out. I've never had it before, and I know it gets annoying when they're constantly asking you, but if you try it, I think you'll appreciate it. And I was really shocked at how much strength that she had in her hands, her elbows, her shoulders. She put a lot of work in, so I do appreciate the amount of work that she put in for that foot and basically almost full body massage for me. So anyways, if you are in this area or in and around Bukit Bintang and you see these foot massages, give it a shot. I think you'll be very surprised.